Okay, here is the kettlebell clean and press. We want to have all our energy within ourselves, right? That confidence muscles are super important as we clean and get overhead. And the magic on, as always, we're going to root our feet, right? We're finding that energy right from the ground up. So that means that big toe. We're going to anchor through this baby toe, and then we're going to drive through the heels and the big toe and get ourselves nice and strong. This is glute work. We want to make sure that we keep that bell nice and close. It's like you're making a zipper, right? We're going to talk about, let me get that kettlebell. We're going to talk about how we hold that bell, okay? So when you get into the bell, I really want you to think about it being on an angle in my hand. Can you see that angle? As opposed to being here across my hand, I'm going to bring it on this angle here. All right, that's going to punch right into that L on your hand. And when you go up overhead, you're going to have something to press up with. And that's what we want to think. When we do our swing, we're going to think that our thumb is going into our bum. Okay, kind of weird, but it will help you. We got to keep that shoulder in and show it back here so you can see the whole move. All right, so we really need to make sure, excuse me, that we have that tripod position, right? I'm going to grab with my right hand, so my left hand I'm going to just put into this beautiful strong fist. I'm going to turn that core on, and just like any hinge position that we've done, we're going to set this up, load it up, and think about where that L on my hand is going. From here, I'm going to pull that in, using my upper back into my zipper. Squeeze, and we're going to clean from there. From here, we are going to press that up overhead. Now, sometimes this will be a little bit heavier. What I want you to do is you're just going to load up those hips a little bit, give it a little press, overhead, control it back down. Then we can either come back from the floor, all right, and go for a clean. Notice where it is, nice and close. Squeeze to the floor. We can strict press that or push press it. You're going to choose, all right? Another option for you here is you can just come just to the zipper like we do in swings, and then you can press that over to here. Control it back down. All right, so in nice and close, and notice this overhead position. My knuckles are to the ceiling. My wrist is super strong. It is right here near my ear, my bicep. This arm is nice and strong. Okay, so putting a bunch together, I'll show it from the hang position. All right, if you wanted to come from the floor, you got to make sure you have that beautiful strong, and we're coming clean and press. Sometimes you would want to do this just to practice that hinge position if you ever have struggles maintaining a nice strong core in that position. Always make sure you set it down beautiful. That is kettlebell clean and press. Have fun.